In this video,
we will learn how to fix FiveM not opening. So after opening FiveM and if it's not opening or responding, firstly all you need to do is head into your task managers to check if there is another instance of FiveM running or not, which is preventing this present version from running. In order to do that, right click on your Windows taskbar, then head into task manager, then maximize it. Under the background task section, check if there are any FiveM instances running. If they are running, just right click on them, then end task. If not, you can just close, then head to the next solution. The second solution, which is most of the time the cause, is the cache file of FiveM. In order to clear it, all you have to do is in the search panel, search for FiveM. From here, click on open file location. From here, again, click on open file location. Then head into application data. From here you need to just delete the cache in here. Right click on them, then click on delete. And now you can try to open FiveM again. If even that's not working, you can try to verify the integrity of your Grand Theft Auto files. In order to do that, open up the game launcher that you're using. From here, click on the three dot beside Grand Theft Auto 5, head to manage. In here, click on verify. It will take some time, and after a certain period of time, any file missing or damaged will be replaced. After the verification is done and FiveM is still not loading, there is another solution which you can try. First, come to the search panel. From here, type FiveM, click on open file location, right click on FiveM again, then again click on open file location, right click on FiveM, head to properties, then compatibility. From here, check run this program as an administrator, then select apply and OK. After you have applied all these settings, your FiveM should run without any issue and you can enjoy FiveM like before and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.